Hello again, everybody. It's Steve Baker with the Great Game of Business, hoping you're healthy and safe as we work remotely through this crisis together. Listen, this is not our first rodeo. At SRC Holdings, we've weathered 4 economic downturns in the last 40 years. Not only weathered, but survived and thrived through that process, always leaning on the Great Game of Business as our operating system, our leadership system to get us through challenging times. And these times are no different. We'd like to invite you to a new virtual workshop, the Survive and Thrive workshop that will take place April 14th, 8 to 5:30 Central Time. This workshop's going to be a lot of fun because it's a little bit different format. We're going to cover the 10 steps of implementation in one day, but with each area being just tweaked to fit the crisis situation today to help you the most through these really tough times. Step 1, begin with the right leadership. This is where we're going to be talking about if you don't inform your people, someone else will. Step 2, share the why before the how. We've got to make sure that we create a safe space, reconnect to our mission, and make sure everyone is unlocking the creativity that will get us through the next few months. After that, open the books and teach the numbers. This is step 3. What we're doing here is teaching people the brutal facts. We're going to face the economic reality, and we're going to connect each and every person to line item ownership so that we can move the company forward. Then we'll focus on the critical number in step 4. Focus on the critical number. And by the way, your critical number right now is probably cash. The next step, act on the right drivers. We're going to actually be looking at ways we can shorten our cash to cash cycle and connecting more people to it so that we can do a really good job of not only surviving, but thriving in the coming months. In step 6, we'll actually create some early wins with mini games. You deserve them now more than ever, and we need to unleash and tap the creativity that our people have. Remember, people support what they help create. The next step, of course, we're going to look at your bonus plan and provide a stake in the outcome. Because, man, your bonus plan may not be working very well right now. How can we connect our short-term, mid-term, and long-term rewards and recognition to drive not only performance, but morale through these difficult times? Then we're going to look at keeping score, following the action. We're going to really look at your scoreboards for the rest of the year. We're going to recast the rest of the year and make sure that we're moving the numbers where they need to be moved. We're also going to be focusing on that forecasting because forecasting the numbers is how we control our own destiny. And finally, in step 10, we're going to sustain with high involvement planning. We're going to be talking about, are you ready for the upturn? The Survive and Thrive workshop, 8 to 5:30 Central, April 14th. I hope you'll join us.